So a little bit about us, a little history here is we're a C&D landfill is what we started out doing, so construction and demolition debris. And in an effort to recycle more material versus landfilling it and to create jobs and additional revenue, I formed GreenGo probably about 12 years ago. And what GreenGo Recycling does is we take that wood waste that would have been buried in the landfill, we take it and recycle it into either mulch or compost. A few years back I started a YouTube channel and it's called Mr. Dig, mr.digg, and it's on YouTube, and so it's just kind of a fun thing that I like to do to help promote recycling, but also just show folks what we do here on this property. When we first had the idea to recycle some of this wood waste, we were renting some different grinders to come in, to trial them out and just to take care of the wood waste that we had, stacking up. So we tried several different brands, and when we gave Rotochopper a call, they said, hey, why don't you come up here to the factory and let us show you around, show you our product. None of the other companies did that. So we were like, hey, that'd be cool. So we took the trip up to Minnesota, met the nice folks up there, toured the facility, and was really impressed by their camaraderie and how well everybody worked together, the quality of the machines they were putting together. It was just awesome. We formed a friendship with them and bought our first grinder, which is the MC266, which is still running today. The most important thing to us is service. How well is that company going to take care of you after you make that initial purchase? That's where, that's what it really boils down to. Because let's face it, these machines, they live a rough life. They're gonna break down. So I want a company that's gonna stand behind me and get me back up and running as quickly as possible. And the great thing with Rotochopper is, they're not a dealer, it's factory direct. When we do have an issue, we know who we're gonna get on the phone, and I know they're gonna get it resolved quickly and get us back up running.